guys, this is Solomon from mastermind.com. Like, share, and subscribe. As you can see, we're still growing the $10,000 account. We've been growing it. We've made some profits. We've made nice system A profits, which are the fast, quick scalp trades you've been seeing. We've made nice system B profits, which are the larger profits we've been making with more pips. We started the account with a hedge. If you want to see it, go to the playlist, $10,000 scalp something in the description below. Open that and you will find the whole playlist on when we started the account. As we're growing it, you're learning. Hope you're learning something. If you have any questions, put that in the comment section. I always reply to every comment. And we've been able to make good profits on the account, as you can see. Anyways, if you want to test my signals for free for 3 months, message me trial on Telegram, link in description below also. And also I started the copy trade account. We're waiting for more people to put money in, then we'll start it officially in about maybe 1 week. And yeah, the minimum you should have for that is around $350 to $500 to be able to fund your own account. Also for the free signals, you need at least $50. And for copy trade is for people who don't have time to trade, who don't have time to take signals, who maybe they are at work, they're at school, they are doing something, traveling, busy. You can just put your money in your account, connect it straight to my account, and the money will be split every month. Whatever we make every month, we split 8% for you, 20% for me. And I'm using hedging as an exit strategy, so it's basically risk-free. What is hedging? Hedging is a way to make profits to cover your loss. So if the market goes against us, or whatever we do, if we buy and it sells, we hedge and we make profit to cover the loss. That means we're selling to take the buy, or if we are buying, we're selling and it turns into a buy. So it's the secret strategy I've been using all these years to grow my account very quickly, compound very quickly. I teach this also in my course. If you want to buy the course, go to hedgemastermind.com. And yeah, I also have my software that helps me with the analysis. It tells me when the trend has changed, because most people don't know when to hedge. They are hedging randomly when it goes up, hedging randomly when it goes down. You need to know when the market has gone up with 100% accuracy, and you need to know when the market is going down with 100% accuracy. Sometimes the market consolidates also. You need to be prepared for things like that. I teach my students live. I share my screen on Zoom. You take live scalp trades, live swing trades, live hedging trades, and you get the software free with the course. Or you can get it separately if you want at hedgemastermind.com. So for the copy trade account, message me copy on Telegram, link description below, and make sure to join the free Telegram group. We're trying to get to 10,000 to 15,000 members by the end of the year. And yeah, I'm sure we will do that before the end of the year, but let's keep on joining till we do. And yeah, if you have any questions, put that in the comment section. Like, share, and subscribe. When you subscribe, click all the notification, click it, and you click all the notification bells on so you don't miss our shorts, video uploads, our live streams. You can see that I also have another account that I'm live streaming, my swing trade account. And yeah, we'll see how far we grow the accounts, and we'll see how the market goes. Anyways, for daily signals, message me try on Telegram. Make sure you have at least $50 for that. And we'll see how the market goes today. We'll see what trades we can try into the market. And hope you have a nice trading day ahead also. With that being said, the market has for us today. Let's go make more profits from it. Hey guys, this is Solomon from Hedging Mastermind. I have to take this very quick system B sell. Yeah, let me set my take profit. Alright, a little bit. Yeah, there you go. Alright, so if this trade goes right, this will give me about $350 profit. Okay, remember I said I have 2 scalping systems, system A and system B. The ones I've been making little profits. This is a system B trade right here. The ones I've been making little profit, as you can see, all these $20, $40, $50. And I also use hedging as an exit strategy. As you can see, my first trade was actually a hedge. If you go to the playlist, I have $10,000 scalping challenge, which is what I'm doing right now. The playlist link is also in the description below. We started with a hedge. Hedging is a way that I use to compound my account. It's my number 1 secret strategy of growing fast, compounding my account. Since I found that hedging trading has been smoothness for me, because even if I'm right, even if I'm wrong, even if I'm the market, because you never control the market. No matter what you do, the market can do whatever it wants, whenever it wants, okay? And it doesn't matter how you feel or how you care or whatever you think is the reason, or what the market will do whatever it wants. It's your job to always Okay, and hedging is what the hedge funds use. Hedging is what the banks use as their exit strategy. They are not using stop loss and losing. They trade tens of millions, hundreds of millions, billions. They are not going to be taking stop loss of $1 million. They hedge out their trades. So, as a smart money trader, that is what you should be looking at. And it's not just about, oh, the market went up a bit, the market went down a bit. You have to actually know when to buy, when to sell, because you need to know the market direction. If you want to know more about hedging, I also have a hedging playlist also on my channel. You can watch different hedges and how I explain it. I've hedged my accounts, I've hedged live in front of students, I've hedged students I've met in person. When I teach, I either meet my students in person or I share my screen on Zoom because I teach them with live trades just like this. And you also get the software free with the course at Hedging Mastermind. However, anyways, hedging is the way that look at this trade right now. If it goes against me, I just hedge it out and I lose nothing. Whatever profits I make, I keep. Okay, if I lose 9 trades in a month and I win 1 trade, I keep my account and I keep that profit. Most traders, if they lose 9 trades and win 1 trade, they most likely lost their account. So that is the difference. That puts me way ahead, and I've done it multiple times. So I have assurance and I have confidence in what I'm doing multiple times. Anyways, this system B trade, if it goes right for me, I make $350. If it goes wrong for me, I hedge out and I lose nothing. Just time gone, another lesson learned. For free from the market, because you're always learning from the market every day. As long as you know what you're doing right, you're learning and making money. So yes, if you want to buy the course, go to hedgingmastermind.com. And if you want to test my signals for free for 3 months, message me trial on Telegram. Okay, link in description below. Message me trial on Telegram, and you get details on how to join the free 3 month signals trial. You need at least to be able to fund your own account with at least $50 to best yet $200 in your account minimum. And also, if you don't have time to trade, you have work, you're on a trip, you're traveling, you're in school, and you have at least $350 to $500 to start with, you can just connect directly to my account for the copy trade. Message me copy on Telegram. Link also in the description below. Yeah, this trade is kind of slow. We'll see how it plays out. Anyways, yeah. So message me copy on Telegram, and I'll let you know how to connect to my account. Make sure you have at least $350. I will also be hedging on the copy trade. So that means all the trades that your funds are risk free. Why not, instead of just watching the channel, you can also make money from the channel risk free. You take 80% of the profits, and the profit will be split every month. I take 20% of the profits made. Because I'm using hedging as an exit strategy, it's basically risk free. Whatever profits we make, we keep. Okay. So yeah, make sure to join the free Telegram group, also link in the description below. We're trying to get to 10,000 to 15,000 members by the end of this year, and we know that we'll surely get there. So we'll be right back when we are into more profits in this trade. Like, share, and subscribe. All right, guys, and we're back. I wasn't even gone for long, and we already hit the profits. Guys, make sure to like, share, and subscribe. Click all the notification bells on. We make $350. Okay, make sure to like all and click subscribe. When you click subscribe, click all notifications so that you can stay alert for when there's even another trade. I might just take it while I'm talking, while I'm celebrating. It's a systemic trade, small profits. We'll see how it plays out. I'll just take it very quickly. There you go. All right, let me set my take profits. There you go. All right, so yes, let's get back to the trade. So we made $350, as you can see. Like, share, and subscribe. If you have any questions, any type of videos you want me to do, put that in the comment section. I always reply to every comment on the video. And yeah, we'll be right back once we have another trade in the market. Maybe we'll wait to see how this trade plays out. I don't think so. I want to stop recording. Yeah, like I said, like, share, and subscribe. Put comments in this comment on this video, and join the free Telegram group. Link in the description also. And yeah, for free 3 months trial signal, message me trial on Telegram, and to connect directly to my account and take this trade also, message me copy on Telegram, link in the description below, and we'll see how this trade plays out. And we'll see if you have another trade in the market. Look at this trade. I'm sure it will just come out like it. But anyways, we'll be right back soon.